This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Annie Turner. Fort Loudon private oasis located in desirable gated community of Rivendell. This gorgeous lakefront home is on the main channel with 170 feet of lake frontage. This all-brick basement ranch home is situated on a premier lot located in the cul-de-sac. Welcome your guest with the circle drive and expansive foyer that leads to the towering great room where you find amazing handcrafted tongue and groove vaulted ceilings with a grand gas/wood burning fireplace and amazing lake views. Imagine the fabulous entertaining opportunities both inside and outside on the spacious decks and gazebo overlooking the peaceful lake views. The spacious gourmet eat-in kitchen offers ample storage, high-end appliances, a breakfast area and oversized windows for fabulous lake views. Beautiful hardwood floors, 2 oversized master suites, additional bedroom/office, laundry room and breathtaking views on the main level of the home. Oversized balconies wrap around the entire back of the home. Downstairs offers a rec room, a 4th bedroom, bathroom, storage and walkout basement. Enjoy fishing, swimming, and boating off your private dock. Your boat will be comfortably housed all year round under your newer covered boat dock, right next to the spacious swim decks and jet ski lift. Private gardens and beautiful landscapes offer the perfect spot for any staycation. This home has too many features to list and is a must-see. Enjoy the private country setting while being close to shopping, dining, schools and so much more. For more information, review the details below or contact Annie Turner at 865-342-4200.